graders, lesson 1-6 is prime and composite numbers. Your objective is I can identify and explain prime and composite numbers. So you can see that a prime number has exactly two factors, 1 and the number itself. A composite number has more than two factors. So we're going to take a look at these numbers and we're going to see what factors they have and then determine if they're prime or composite. So we'll start with 2. What can I multiply to get 2 as my product? Well, I do 1 times 2. Remember, you can always do 1 times the number itself. I don't have another way to make 2, so there's exactly two factors here, 1 and the number itself, making this prime. Alright, they've done number 3. You can see that 3 is also prime. Its only factors are 1 and the number itself. How about 4? I know for 4 I can do 1 times 4, but are there other ways to make 4? Yes, I can do 2 times 2. Now notice I don't have to list both 2's. 2 is a factor of 4, I only need to list it once. But this has more than two factors, so it is composite. Taking a look at 5. 5 has 1 and 5 as factors. Are there any other ways to make 5? No, there are not. So 5 is also prime. They've done 6 for you, and then you will continue on to figure out the factors for the other numbers. Think about your multiplication facts. Okay, try using divisibility rules, and then determine if those numbers are prime and composite based on the number of factors they have. We're also going to look at the game Factor Captor. You may have played this already, and we need to think about prime numbers when we play this game, because prime numbers only have two factors, 1 and the number itself, and that makes it difficult for your partner to score points. So scenario number 1 says, suppose you played Factor Captor using the above number grid. No numbers have been covered. Which is the best number choice you could make? So we're looking for a product that doesn't have a lot of factors. So I would probably choose 29, because the factors of 29 are 1 and 29. And so I've just gotten 29 points, but my partner can only cover up 1, and they would only get 1 point. Now if it's my partner's turn, and 29 and 1 have already been covered, so we'll cover that one, what's the best number choice to make? So again, I'm looking for numbers that have very few factors, numbers that are prime. Okay, a lot of people would say, well, 30 would be a lot of points, but 30 has a lot of factors. I could do 5 and 6, I could do 1 and 15, or I'm sorry, 2 and 15. So that might not be the best choice. Okay, think about what factors there would be for 28 or 27. 26 might be okay. If I chose 26, 1 is covered, but my partner could get 2 and 13. They'd get 15 points. So my next best one is really 23. 23 is prime. The only factors are 1 and 23, and now my partner would get 0 points, giving me 23 extras, 23 more to take the lead. So Factor Captor, you can use a lot of strategies while playing that. You're really looking to find those prime numbers to give you the advantage in points and to keep your partner from being able to mark the factors.